Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. And today, guys, the war continues. The war is here. We're in December. We're still in December, right? We're still in December. We still have the promotion going. But we're not here for the promotion right now. We're here for the war. The war is here. Shano and Demarco is at it at the moment. So we say Shano drop. Now Demarco drop him song. 3-4 days later, I guess we can give him a pass because him there Jamaica. We see they are Jamaica, Demarco. So can give you a pass. You see me? Your setup is not the same as when they are firing. So Dancehall Wick. That one name Dancehall Wick by Demarco. And it's a Shano this. So make it forward right now. That one and here with the GSA. Because you don't know, so they have to react. And guys, reaction is different from reviewing. Alright? Me don't want to think say yo. I go get everything. I am reacting. Alright? So, the Shano fans in my comment section, we are telling me be a bad word and me just black on no. Me just cement and black on no bumbo cloth over here. You see me? Cause me don't know how not say me bias when me just react to the song them. You see me? So, let's jump in one and you with the GSL. Let's go. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So, this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure say wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_worst_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
Hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video.
Batty body Rene line them with Toyota that when I am a clap it up, I am no prop. Get them pussy.
As him start him going at Batty boy. The Rene line him tired of that. Like him never say him say we tired of that. So he must say the fans, everybody tired of that. Him say find something new.
Batty body Rene line them with Toyota that when I am a clap it up, I am no prop. Get them pussy they are liar, them guy so cap. Batty body Rene line them with Toyota that when I am a clap it up, I am no prop. Get them pussy they are liar, them guy so cap. How when you say you fucking prior, them I go lock. Whole a chain line say them boy you fi die on a track.
The whole of chain line say them boy have to die on a track. What chain line there? Chain line there, what don't call chain line? Or some of the Spanish town in chain line if I'm not mistaken, right? Spanish town? Chain line? I think so. So, alright.
With Toyota that when I am a clap it up, I am no prop. Get them pussy they are liar, them guy so cap. How when you say you fucking prior, them I go lock. Whole a chain line say them boy you fi die on a track. Binds clap for fly but with eyes when you eye lock. Fry spot, bright light, find them a prime spot.
Bombo clad. Demarco now. Demarco matching lyrics in the dog. Demarco going at lyrics box in the dog. Bombo clad. We see Shano say, yo, listen. Lower if I want it for gimmicks, make a chat lyrics and see what go on. So, Shano, lyrics.
And when you say you fucking prior, them I go lock. Whole a chain line say them boy you fi die on a track. Binds clap for fly but with eyes when you eye lock. Fry spot, bright light, find them a prime spot. Strike that, Maro take a flight pan a kite up. You know see what we do to airline and a pilot.
You know, so we do to airline and a pilot. So he must say, yo, dog, you know, so we do to Coyote. You really want to step into this? Basically, him tell you, say, yo, him kill Coyote. So the boss says, yo, you want to step into this? The fuck you do? Like, easy. The man say, yo, when this a clap, your brain land on a kite top. Kite? On the top of the kite.
Binds clap for fly but with eyes when you eye lock. Fry spot, bright. Liar, them guy so cap. How when you say you fucking prior, them I go lock. Whole a chain line say them boy you fi die on a track. Binds clap for fly but with eyes when you eye lock. Fry spot.
Man say him rejoice when you eye lock, brother. Him rejoice when you eye lock. Him happy about it. Him a gloat about it. Him glad about it.
Them boy you fi die on a track. Binds clap for fly but with eyes when you eye lock. Fry spot, bright light, find them a prime spot. Strike that, Maro take a flight pan a kite up. You know see what we do to airline and a pilot. Little Russian just keep in the lane. Me quick for put a clip in your brain. Me sick with the aim.
Man say little Russian, obviously. Shane on him Russian McDonald's. Russian McDonald, not McDonald's, McDonald. Russian McDonald. I learned that from the clash with him and Gates, so that's why I remember his name. So he must say, yo, brother, listen, brother, keeping your bum buckle lane. Not know why you're so fear, brother. When we aim straight, so no say you are be this again. That's what the GS said, not me.
Find them a prime spot, strike that. Maro take a flight, pan a kite up, you know, see what we do to airline. And a pilot, little Russian, just keep in the lane. Me quick for put a clip in your brain. Me sick with the aim, and I feel the shit just spit in my lane. Me Glock chip for kill a fish, bitch, this a go rain.
The Glock switch for kill a bitch fish, this a go rain.
And a pilot, little Russian, just keep in the lane. Me quick for put a clip in your brain. Me sick with the aim, and I feel the shit just spit in my lane. Me Glock chip for kill a fish, bitch, this a go rain. LeBron take more pints than Jordan. Roll like Dangagan, me to.
LeBron take more pints than Jordan. I think Shano did refer something to him about Jordan and LeBron in a Shano song, you know. Shano did say basically him, Jordan and Marco LeBron. I think him did say something like that. If I'm not wrong, if I'm wrong, correct me in the comment section. But I can't remember exactly what Shano's song word for word was. But I know him make a reference to something like that still.
Keep in the lane, me quick for put a clip in your brain. Me sick with the aim, and I feel the shit just spit in my lane. Me Glock chip for kill a fish, bitch, this a go rain. LeBron take more pints than Jordan. Roll like Dangagan, me toe like Pan Allen. Your poor life so small, man.
Roll like Dan Gargan, reference to Ninja Man. Big up yourself, Ninja Man. Big up.
Sick with the aim, and I feel the shit just spit in my lane. Me Glock chip for kill a fish, bitch, this a go rain. LeBron take more pints than Jordan. Roll like Dangagan, me toe like Pan Allen. Your poor life so small, man. The 4-5 a chalk one. When me a limb them up, pussy, you know don't ask for Tarzan.
When me a limb them up, pussy don't ask for Tarzan. Tarzan swing on the limb. You know, you see the Tarzan cartoon growing up, or the Tarzan movie growing up. Tarzan swing pan limb. So the man say, yo, when him a limb them up.
Take more pints than Jordan. Roll like Dangagan, me toe like Pan Allen. Your poor life so small, man. The 4-5 a chalk one. When me a limb them up, pussy, you know don't ask for Tarzan. My me turn your 7 jacket in half and Markland no laugh, I'm no Lewis, but we Armstrong.
Hold on. That's a reference to Shano song, Jacket, the Jacket song. If you remember the Jacket song, that song that bad. So they must say, yo, that pitney enough for me, that pitney of favor Addy, Ray, blah, 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 blah. And Diddy and Ray. That song that bad. So he must say, right, so he must go turn your 7 jacket in our half. And I don't know if Chano have 7 kids in a real life, it's true. I don't know. Probably not, I don't know. But DG a reference back, in my opinion, a reference back to the song. So let me know if I'm wrong about that as well, guys.
And the 4-5 a chalk one. When me a limb them up, pussy, you know don't ask for Tarzan. My me turn your 7 jacket in half and Markland no laugh, I'm no Lewis, but we Armstrong. Bullet.
No Lewis, but Armstrong. Louis Armstrong. Research.
My me turn your 7 jacket in half and Markland no laugh, I'm no Lewis, but we Armstrong. Bullet from your talk wrong, you will never last long. Say them a fight war and partner draw them a ball pun. Shot. So them a fight war, but partner draw them a ball pan. So he must say, back to Shano's song again. So he must pick out Shano bad song them from them time till now. Because Shano have a song, so wait till me get my partner draw. So he must say, yo, boy, you fight war and a partner your ball pan. Move, you're not bad, you broke, that's how he must say. Bullet from your talk wrong, you will never last long. Say them a fight war and partner draw them a ball pan. More hated, send for me pan clip. Can't ramp with Dancehall John Wick. More hated, send for me pan clip. Can't ramp with Dancehall John Wick. You're not more hated, Demarco. Stop saying that. But me get why you say that, but you're not more hated. You're not more hated. You issued out a challenge for the opponents. That's why them a clash out. Before that, you're good, bro. You're good. Stop it. More hated, send for me pan clip. Can't ramp with Dancehall John Wick. Man a murderer, dirt I convict. Can't ramp with Dancehall John Wick. Man a murderer, convict, prison board. 1 year like when he must leave. Must pay attention. Man a murderer, dirt I convict. Can't ramp with Dancehall John Wick. When we step in the street, straight down ship. Can't ramp with Dancehall John Wick. More hated, send for me pan clip. Can't ramp with Dancehall John Wick. Squeeze up in my tick, please don't forget it. I treat up your flick when the G I go for your trick. I treat up your squeeze up in my tick, no forget it. I treat up your flick when it done a flicky matic. That's what I'm saying? Squeeze up in my tick, please don't forget it. Please don't forget it, yeah. I treat up your flick when the G I go for your trick. I treat up your flick when the G I go for your trick. So the boss will tell us, say, yo, fully bad one.
Coyote I want, and now Shane I want to cheat up your flick bumbo clot. Sting! Sting!
Squeeze up him a tick, please don't forget it. I trade up your flick when the G a go for your trick. We do it so fanatic, release 30 a clip in a for your suck pussy face with your dirty habit.
And then get a clip in your suck pussy face with a dirty habit, dog.
Squeeze up him a tick, please don't forget it. I trade up your flick when the G a go for your trick. We do it so fanatic, release 30 a clip in a for your suck pussy face with your dirty habit. Batty boy, how we do little leprechaun? Bag a strap and ammunition if it cause collision.
Man say what do little leprechaun? How do little leprechaun? Yo, that you your face, you fuck. Yo.
Batty boy, how we do little leprechaun? Bag a strap and ammunition if it cause collision. Step rolling when it's sunny, make me part in this and start the mission. Blast the clip until me wipe them off of the lawn. You know.
Yo, Demarco chopping a bro. Demarco, see, you ask for lyrics in a bro. See lyrics saying me G. See lyrics saying the dog. The boss not go with one gimmicks all knowing a bro. Remember say one gimmicks not go all knowing a fam. You see me? Lyrics are chop, bumbleclaw, lyrics are chop.
See me make them out, they have to drop for the time. Some dog teach and blast the clip until me wipe them off of the lawn. You know, see me make them out, they have to drop for the time. Some dog tail gal and make a bag of talk on the ground.
The man say, you know, see me make Coyote have to draw for the tam. Because we see Coyote on a Nightly Fix interview and Coyote have on a black tam. So the boss I say, yo, you know, see me make Coyote have to draw for the tam. Eh? So him say some dog tail girl, I make chat on the gram. Who the puppy tail? Who the puppy tail? No, Rene the puppy tail, man. So the boss I say, what is? Come on from the screen. So the boss I say, yo, some dog tail. Hold on. Let me make sure check if. Hold on, 1 second. Let me check something. Guys. More make sure. Yes, I'm right. Coyote was wearing a black tam pan Nightly Fix sure. So they must say, yo, you know see, big up Nightly Fix by the way, Naro and Ari. The boss I say, yo, you know see me make Coyote have to draw for the tam, brother. It basically, he must say right there, so is it make Coyote get self-conscious of him head, you know.
Strap an ammunition if it cause collision. Step rolling when it's sunny, make me part in this and start the mission. Blast the clip until me wipe them off of the lawn. You know see me make them out, they have to drop for the time. Some dog tail gal and make a bag of talk on the ground. She know you cannot see me money, muscle loss a vision. And nobody try to claim no gold, cause me a slaughter the lamb.
Shane, you can't see me money, you must lose your vision. And nobody claim to be no goat, cause him slaughter the lamb. The boss tell us, say, yo, Shane, you are not no GOAT, no.
You know see me make them out, they have to drop for the time. Some dog tail gal and make a bag of talk on the ground. She know you cannot see me money, muscle loss a vision. And nobody try to claim no gold, cause me a slaughter the lamb. Hear the boy about him screechy pass, it's a easy task. When me wheel it up, we no need for laugh, we no.
Boy, you screechy pass. In a Shane song, him say, yo, remember say him screechy pass and rare and blah blah. But I say, yo, when a screechy pass, wagwan.
On the ground, she know you cannot see me money, muscle loss a vision. And nobody try to claim no gold, cause me a slaughter the lamb. Hear the boy about him screechy pass, it's a easy task. When me wheel it up, we no need for laugh, we no leave the touch in the street with that. Who full of evil art, capital I say you thief the sauce.
Capital I say you thief the sauce. Obviously, capital I say, yo, member say, yo, he used the right for Shane, so he must say, yo, capital I say you thief the sauce.
The touch in the street with that. Who full of evil art, capital I say you thief the sauce. Him thinks he call it, did I go light up him dark room. Pain and not tune, you feel you're not tune. Prepare.
Him thinks he call it, did I go light up him dark room. Remember say when dark room. I mean alone in the dark room, hot, you know. Remember say him Shane they meet Khalid and Khalid they ask him to sing the song and thing. So he must say, yo, him thinks that Khalid did I go sign him or bust him or feature him on a track or something. Man say, yo, Khalid they even business with you. That's how it yo,
that was Khalid did I go light up him dark room. Pain and not tune, you feel you're not tune. Prepare for rast to him, you hear the lad soon. Them catch him man in a bathroom.
Them catch him and feel good boss in a bathroom.
Prepare for rast to him, you hear the lad soon. Them catch him man in a bathroom. Send Maraga moonrise, ten of that all broom. Them are not general, me tell you, say them a cartoon. Watch them a pampoon, as a lot of it can't cool. Rainbow, them a baboon. More sated, send for me pan clip. Can't ramp with dancehall John Wick. Man a murderer, dirt I a convict. Can't ramp with dancehall John Wick. When we step in the street, straight down ship. Can't ramp with dancehall John Wick. Most hated, send for me pan clip. Can't ramp with dancehall John Wick.
Yo. Some bombo claw lyrics chop, bro. Bro. Shano, you ask for it, you ask for lyrics. Lyrics drop. Demarco, congratulations on the lyrical skill that you just portrayed to all of us as the listeners listening, bro. Yo, me bombo clot. How long the song was? 2 minutes and 38 seconds worth of lyrics. 2 minutes and 38 seconds worth of lyrics. We not hear no gimmicks, bro. We not hear no gimmicks, bro. So, Jesus Christ, bro. Shano, you have a battle on your hand right here, bro. You have a battle on your hand right here. So, all of those people who underestimate Marco and feel say Marco is not a lyrical genius or him not bad lyrically, I be a gimmicks him use. No. Him just gimmicks out the war with not him gimmicks out. Him that war was about that, to be honest. So you ask for the war now, on a real level, see it here now, you get it, bro. Bun up boss is at your feet, bro. At your neck. Bun up boss is at your neck. Guys, I'm not long with that reaction anymore. I'm going to end the video, but I don't know what to do in the comment section already. Have a discussion. But anybody this me, I'm going to block them. That me tell you, because remember me telling them, I just there react. So I don't deserve no suck my that. I don't deserve no suck my that at all. I don't deserve no suck my that. Don't that. We black with the bumbo clat to the fuck over here. Hey, Shano, the ball is in your court. Why for the ball? Shano, the floor is yours, my friend. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.